Hello, today on Munch Around we are wiring one of these spare replacement female plug ends onto an extension cord that the end was sadly lost somewhere between here and Timbuktu. Same with the other end. This is just one lead because safety, so both ends were condemned. We're doing this end first, and you'll see this end in this video. So first, you grab your insulated screwdriver and you pop the end out. So then you grab your wire strippers and strip the wires. You can need way more than this. So you got the three conductors: the earth, the neutral, the active. Normal Australian wiring, this is supposed to be black and this is supposed to be red. They are wired like this for European. So the earth, and then you have the active. So you twist them, so it's like that. Feed it through. So first, any loose ends, cut them off. Make sure the earth screw is wound out. Put the wire in and tighten down the screw. Then move on to the active. Put it in and tighten down the lug. For this task, you want to use an insulated screwdriver. Then you want to put the neutral into the neutral slot. They are labelled with an N and an E. The E is normally green or a dot. Tighten down the lugs. Put the wire into the anti-pull-out thing. I can't remember the exact name of it. Make sure the lugs are all tight. Grab the sheath. Come up. Push it on. Make sure it seats the whole way around. There you are. You have a female end on an extension cord. And just so you know, this lead will be thrown out after this, because unless you're a licensed electrician, you should not do this. I highly recommend it. It can kill you. This was only for video purposes only. Do not use this. This will be being cut off, and this lead will be being thrown out. Thank you, and thanks for watching today's video.